Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another DIY challenge. This challenge is hosted by Mom Does Live, and her lovely co-host for this month is Michelle Cozy Home. Both of those ladies are amazing crafters, DIYers. I've been following them for quite some times now. Mom Does always comes up with something unique and very useful, so this challenge is a useful DIY challenge. And Michelle, she's such a sweetheart. She has an amazing channel. She comes up with very cool little not only little, but just really cool crafts. So if you don't know either one of those ladies, all the information about them will be linked in the description below. I would strongly recommend for you to go check them out. Also, for this challenge, we were supposed to, the theme of the challenge was useful DIY. So we have to create something that is truly very useful to us. It cannot be like a decoration piece. So I have created something really cool that I am in love with, and I'm using it every day. So that is what we're going to be doing today. And if you liked my video and you would like to see more useful DIY challenge videos, there is a playlist going. Lots of amazing ladies are participating. It is linked in my description below. You can just go in, click, and continue watching. But for now, let's jump right into the crafting. Okay, so for this project, we're gonna use this key holder. I got it at the Walmart, I think. I'm pretty sure it's at Walmart. And I know this board is from Walmart. I got several because I just love how they look. It was only like $3. And then when Michael's had that 75% off, or 70, I think 75, they had a bunch just plain wood in this style, so I got some too. But this is what I will be using. What I envision to do, I want this painted in this color, which is a Waverly chalk paint, and it's in the shade Plaster. And then when it's dry, I will use my E6000 along with the wood glue, and I will glue this to this board. I think like that, because it's just perfect size. I just don't want this by itself on the wall. I want it on the board. So okay, so my sign is dry. E6000 did pretty good job, and I actually wood glued it over here. So now I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna place it by my front door, because I am in desperate need of this, because I'm tired of my family asking me where are my keys. So that would be a new rule. You can make it as colorful as you like. I want it to stay white so it will be an accent and they can see it. So let me insert the picture and I'll show you how I styled it. Okay, so for this project I'll be using this Dollar Tree chalkboard wood stakes. I got a chalk writer, marker. And I got a bunch of magnets on Amazon. So, and of course the glue gun to secure. So this is going to be an easy and very useful DIY for me. Okay, now this is dry. I'm gonna use my chalk marker. Hopefully it's gonna work. I'm not sure how it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try. Oh, let me see. Okay, it's working. I guess it's just like a marker. It's not a pen, because I thought this one opens up, but I guess, oh, it's going up and down. Okay, never mind. Have a moment of lost my mind here for a second. So I'm gonna use, you can write any chores you like it. I'm gonna write some chores for my family, and I got some money that will be a motivation to do some chores around the house. Okay, that marker from Dollar Tree was terrible. It wasn't writing how I wanted, so I got my X-Acto knife and I actually sharpened it and made it looks like a pen. It worked better, but not perfect. So I think I'm gonna look for a better marker for the for my chalkboard, because this one just was making me angry. Well, that was all for today. Thank you so much, Mom Does and Michelle, for hosting this challenge. I really enjoyed participating. I hope you guys liked it, what I created it. It is really useful to me. I am looking forward to another challenge, but for now, if you would like to see more, there is a playlist going with lots of useful DIY videos there. And please let me know if you're one of my new people so I can welcome you to the family. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back and supporting me. I love you guys very much. Be safe out there, and I will see you in the next one real soon. Bye.